morning, loves, and happy Monday! So I'm very excited to share you guys everything that we're doing today because we're actually heading to Canada's Wonderland, just me and Ethan, because Fritz is working. So I'm very excited about that because we'll be able to do a lot of bondings this summertime because Ethan has a 2-month vacation from July to August. And I wanted to share you guys all the simple moments that I have with him because it's the simple moments that last longer. So just come with me, guys, and let's go. Bye for now. Hey loves, a little update. So right now we're here at Chicken Plus. I don't know if you guys can hear me. So I think we're just gonna eat first because apparently you're not allowed to bring food at Canada's Wonderland. And after that, we're just gonna head there. So at the moment it's 1 p.m. So we still have a lot of time to roam around because the park is open until 10 p.m. So I think we're just gonna head on the water park because Ethan will surely enjoy it the most. So we're just gonna eat our lunch because it's already 1 in the afternoon and I'm very hungry as well. Oh, thank you.
What?
You too. Thanks. So this is the food, guys. It smells so amazing. So this is one of my favorite Korean chicken. And they really have a great flavors as well with chicken. So this is my go-to. It's the cheese sling chicken. This is what it looks like. It has fries and chicken already, so we're just gonna dig in and bon appetit, guys! Hello love, so we're still here. Right now it's currently 5:30 p.m. So we just finished swimming and we already changed into our new clothes. Really enjoyed the water park. So I haven't talked to you guys because it was raining so hard a while ago. So we just enjoyed the moment, but I do have some clips that I can share with you, and I think we're gonna go back here together with Fritz because Fritz is working at the moment. So it's just me, Ethan, and also my dad. But yeah, we do enjoy the water park a lot. I would rate it like 9.5 over 10. There's a lot of activities that you can explore. That's just the pool area, which is just for kids. But the overall experience, it was really good. And I think we're just gonna go back here. So just a little tip with you guys. I recommend getting the gold pass or the silver pass, whichever. So I think the silver pass was like $99 and the gold pass was $125. They are actually worth it because it's all seasons pass. So you can do unlimited visit for the year 2025. And also I think the admission was like $60 and it's only for a day. So I recommend getting the seasons pass instead. So the gold pass, it already includes free drinks And it also has free parking, and also it includes, I think, the activities for Halloween, for fall, and the Winter Fest. So I'm very excited about that as well. Overall, it's a very happy experience with us. It's just our first time here, but I really wanted to go back again with the other family member. If you wanted to save more, you can also add, I think, food included in your pass. It was only for $25 or $30. So I guess next time I'm gonna do that for me to save more money. But yeah, we're just gonna roam around, and also I think at 10:30 or 10 p.m. there's a fireworks, so we're just gonna wait for it as well. Guys, so let's just explore more, and I'm just gonna eat because I'm super hungry. And I'll get back to you guys later. Bye for now.